What's up, YouTube? So here today we got some inserts, an order that just came in, and I got new inserts and a new body, 6-inch cutter body. Yeah, Whittier Products, and here we go. Right here we got 100 inserts, coming in at $18 a piece. Whoa. Now for the grand finale here, we have a 6-inch Whittier shoulder mill. And I use these quite a bit. I really like them. They give really nice surface finishes and excellent accuracy. So like this 6-inch cutter, it cuts 6-inch. You can trust it. It's a nice tool. Pretty cool too. If you look there in the fine print, it goes up to 13,700 RPM. You can run this at and cool them through. It's a nice cutter. Price on this is $1,465. And they also supply some insert screws, 3 of them. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Like and subscribe. Mad Machinist.